Welcome HubSpot users! Today we're diving into a new HubSpot tutorial. Grab your coffee, your attention span, and maybe a snack because today we are going to learn how to set up the HubSpot tracking code on your website. And do not think it's only for developers. I promise you, you will understand everything and all developers will be impressed by your knowledge and how smart you are. I mean, I think, I'm not sure though, but okay, let's dive in the tutorial right now. So go to your HubSpot, go to settings, now go to tracking and analytics, click on tracking code. And here you have the code that you need to embed inside your website. So the first line and the third line are optional. You don't need them. It's a commentary line. But the second line is really important. So you can email to your developer if you want, but let's get this straight. This tutorial is for you to shine, not your web developer. So how can you implement into your website? For example, I have a web flow. If you go to custom code, then you go to your footer code and copy the tracking code from HubSpot. You hit on save and you can publish your website over there. If you have a WordPress website, you just need to download the plugin WordPress and you add your Hub ID. You can also use Google Tag Manager. You click on New, Tag Configuration, you select Custom HTML, you pass your code, triggering all pages and click on Save, click on Publish, and that's it. If we go back to HubSpot, you can also modify the advanced tracking. So for example, here you have your own IP address. You can exclude it. You can also exclude several IP addresses like that. You have to separate with a comma. Now, once you have implemented this tracking code, you will see page views on every HubSpot contact once they fill the form. Be careful, you need to click on filter activity and activate page views so you can see this event on a HubSpot contact page. And there you have it, folks, installing a tracking code inside HubSpot made easy. Don't forget to put in the comment section how you shine in front of developers at your next meeting. Of course, if you like this content, you can subscribe to our channel and get the latest video as fast as possible. Bye!